Hi, I was just sent this jewelry making kit and it comes with a lot of different supplies. So come on in here and let me show you all of the stuff that it came with, including all 5 of these jewelry strings. There's 2 clear, a silver, a copper, and a gold, and these things break apart. So if I just wanted to use the clear, then I could just break that apart and then stick it back together when I'm done with it. It has 3 pairs of pliers, one for cutting the metal, one for clamping the beads together, and this one for bending the wire. They feel very comfortable in my hands. There's these tweezers here, very nice for picking up any of these small seed beads here, or any of these smaller jump rings. There's also a variety of bigger jump rings and lobster claws, basically anything you'd need to make any kind of bracelet or necklace. There's also this really handy tool to grab your bracelet, and if you don't have anyone to help you, put it on yourself, so it's easier to reach around your whole wrist. They have this ruler here. It's packaged up really nicely so you can measure the length of your necklace or bracelet. It's double-sided with centimeters and inches, so that's very nice. And also this board here to help measure any length or width of anything you might need to help you make your jewelry. There's also this ring here if you want to put your jump ring in there and help open it up, just to help the metal clamp together well. That'll be very helpful. I'm going to use these bending pliers here and put this bead on this needle hook, so just to bend it around to make it easy to attach to any kind of bracelet or necklace. I also love how all these supplies comes in this nice organized case, because I can lock this up here, and it's not going to mix around at all, so I think that's really convenient. I have that bead here now. I love how much supplies came with this, because just in case I needed any extra color, it's all very convenient and all very portable. All of this stuff will fit together in a very small space. And I can't wait to make bracelets, and they also come with stuff to make earrings. You can make any variety of jewelry with these supplies, and I'm very excited to use it.